Hey guys, today we are coming at you with a what's in my bag video. I don't think we've done one of these together in like ages, since like university, and now you're back at university, which is kind of funny.
We've done individual ones, so we'll link up all the what's in my bags below.
But today we're gonna do both of our bags with a bit of a twist. We're gonna swap. So we're gonna rifle through each other's handbags.
What if there's something gross?
Sabotage! So this is my bag that my lovely assistant is holding here. It's a Longchamp one, it's blue, I've got a cute little vintage scarf, and it's very dirty because, I don't know, it's canvas, so I just throw it around. I use it most days going to work on the bus, and it's pretty good.
My bag is this status anxiety one that I've had for quite a few years now. It's got gunmetal hardware, so I like that about it. It's very spacious, but it's also one of those bags you lose a whole lot in.
It's very heavy.
Yeah, good luck getting everything out of it.
Okay.
Alright, shall we open her up?
The first thing I see in Tara's handbag is her keys with a little stormtrooper on it, which is very Tara with your Star Wars fangirlness.
It's got a little light in it. Oh my gosh, the first thing is like a courier post track bag. What is this for? Oh, tickets to Molly's game.
Yeah.
Sent to Ellen's work, so I won't turn it over that way.
I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone knows what my office is.
Okay.
You've got a lot of loose things in your bag, which is very irritating to me. You've got a couple of a chapstick, a NARS lipstick. What's this one?
It's my favourite liquid lipstick. I'm wearing it today.
Where's it from? I can't read the
From
label.
ASOS, Lottie.
Oh, very nice. That just irritates me though. It should be in a makeup bag.
There's so many random loose lipsticks because every time I wear one during the day I just chuck it in the top and then I lose them and then I have to get out like 10 lipsticks.
What's this? Panadol. Always essential.
Yeah.
Again, why don't you put this stuff in a bag?
I don't know. Ellen's next one is very pretty. Look how shiny this is. I think this is her diary.
Yeah.
It's got a little E on it. She has shown me, but I'm just, oh gosh. His pen's falling out.
It's my
To-do videos. Sister bag swap.
It doesn't say to-do.
Videos. Whatever.
What's this one? Nurofen. Why do you have so much pain relief in your bag?
I get a lot of headaches and I have to take both.
Wow.
Ooh, a key card. I can hack into Bauer Media.
Yeah, you can.
Well, it's not really hacking. I'm just like breaking in with someone else's key card. What is this? That was genuinely in my bag, so I thought like that would be funny.
I mean, I shouldn't laugh because I eat meat green all the time. It's great.
I'm surprised there's not some in your bag.
Thumbs up for the meat green.
Oh, I found her wallet. Kate Spade with a City Fitness card attached.
Yeah.
Any money? No.
No. I found your wallet. Matches her status anxiety bag. Same brand. You're such a fangirl, aren't you? Do you have any money?
Shh! No! Put it back! That's my $50 from Christmas from Gran. She also has a Kindle.
Kindle? Do you have your Kindle in here? Oh
no.
yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh,
yeah.
it is. Okay.
Your Kindle's in a case.
Does it have battery? Oh yes, I charged it. Good.
Good. The last thing you read was The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying.
That wasn't the last thing I read. I think I opened it to try to see if I could see when I read it. There's an empty container.
Yeah, I need to put that in the kitchen.
What did that have in it?
Probably like pretzels or looks
maybe
like
chips.
Yeah, looks like some chips. I found another lipstick, Jordana.
There's a Tangle Teaser. Oh my gosh, your Tangle Teaser is full of like purple.
That's kind of embarrassing.
It's so funny.
I need to claim that.
I was about to say I found Ellen's keys. No, I found Ellen's single key.
Because I don't have anything else that I need a key for. Just the house. I don't have a car.
And a little like
oh my gosh. Loose cords. So you've got some
and some headphones.
Yeah, fascinating. Here, have some hand sanitizer.
Oh, but I just took a shower.
Oh, I just had a shower. No, you're
That's meant to be in a bag. Maybe the bag like emptied itself.
Is it meant to be in this bag?
Yes.
You still, oh my gosh, you have more pain relief in here. And a pencil, Blisterex, what's that, a mirror?
Yep.
Your Traveler, which looks like a tampon. And I laugh at it every time. Would you like some perfume?
Okay. There's a little bag, which I'm pretty sure are your friend's headphones. Yes. Yeah. Look how pretty they are.
I feel like they're getting really dirty and old.
I guess because they're white.
Yeah.
I feel like they've stood up pretty well considering they're white.
Yeah.
Like they don't look grotty.
Yeah.
They look like a touch dirty. But how long have you had them?
I just burped. I don't know.
I feel like they look too small on my head.
Yeah, you've got a big head. Oh look, guess what guys? Another loose lipstick. You could like fill just this entire bag with lipsticks. You have so many.
Yeah.
Is there anything else?
I don't know. I wasn't entirely sure what was in there.
Ew, I should have done that.
Don't shake the dirt out. And pink post-its, which have hair on them. Ew.
And a street address for
Oh.
a studio.
Okay, good. And then the rest is like dirt. Oh my god, I just found something hilarious at the bottom.
It's one of my fake nails. Actually, there could be more in this pocket actually. Oh yeah, there's another one in this pocket.
Oh my gosh, why do you just collect your fake nails?
Because they fall off when I'm rummaging through my bag, so I just put them in the pocket.
That's so funny. Well,
there we go. That's what's inside our handbag, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to our channel if you were new. We put out new fashion lifestyle videos every week. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
bye!